In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a bubble text in Google Docs. So let's get started. Okay, so just type Chrome in the Windows search bar. Click on Google Chrome under the best match. Now click on this Google Apps and simply choose Docs. Okay, then click on blank document. Now here we just need to simply click on the insert tab, and here we can find drawing. Click on that. Click on plus sign symbol new, and this window will appear and you find your actions. Okay, click on this drop down and you can find word art and simply type in here bubble text. Okay, then press enter. Okay, sorry, I misspelled it. Okay, so once you have typed the bubble text, you can simply change the color from here. So if you want to change it into different color, you can do that from here. Now if everything is set for you, then you just need to simply click on save and close. Okay, and there you got your bubble text. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.